Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to recover deleted photos and chats on Snapchat. So all you have to do is to launch your Snapchat application here. Tap your profile at the top left corner, tap the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down here and you have to look for My Data. Tap this one below Delete Account. Okay, so tap My Data right here. And then what you're going to do next is you have to wait as it is processing or loading. Now, this is what it looks like, data available for download. If you want to download your chat history, you just have to tap this check right here. If you don't want to include, for example, this spotlight, then you have to uncheck that one. Now you have option if you want to export this as JSON files or if you want HTML, but as recommended, export JSON file is a must. So after you have tap or check your chats and other features here, you have to click next and then select the date from what date you want to ask for a recovery of your photos and chats. So you have to select from any of this here. For example, yesterday, last year, last month. Just select. And then once you're done, as you can see here, it's export or export is in progress. Now, what you're going to do is you have to go or open your email here. For example, if you're using Gmail account, and then you have to wait till they or the Snapchat message you. So basically, this is what it looks like if your file is ready to download. Okay, they will message you right here and will notify you once your file is ready to download. So basically, that's how to recover deleted photos and chats on Snapchat. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.